Look at all these nutrition products. Did you know 3 out of every 4 Americans use supplements? Just like I use supplements, you probably use some too. But the question is, do they work? Do you know what these products are doing for your body? Is there scientific validation that backs them up? Sadly, many companies claim to have science that supports their products, but most truly don't. Sure, there are many studies here and there on individual ingredients, but most of these ingredients don't get used in the vast majority of commercial products. Very few companies actually have clinical results. That is, results from double-blind, placebo-controlled trials that have been conducted on their actual finished products. In truth, there is very little understanding of what products can and can't do, and whether they'll improve your health. In short, it is possible that many supplements are doing virtually nothing to improve our health. There's one company that clearly stands out from the crowd by providing proven, scientifically validated nutrition solutions. When this company talks about having legitimate, bona fide science to back their products, they're telling the absolute truth. Victory Nutrition International, or VNI, boasts more than 40 peer-reviewed published clinical studies on their actual finished products. Not studies on individual ingredients, but studies on the actual finished products, all conducted in clinical settings under the identical recognized regulations and parameters used by legitimate medical and scientific research. And this platform of scientific integrity and excellence supporting VNI's proprietary world-class nutritional products positions VNI as a valid beacon of health, hope, and abundance for people around the globe. More than 34 years ago, Bill Downs, a published nutrition researcher and wellness product formulator, recognized the shortcomings of nutrition products and programs.
From the beginning, our team focused on establishing scientific validation as the foundation upon which our products, and ultimately our company, would be based. In short, real published science using premium quality ingredients would be VNI's standard of excellence.
That standard of scientific excellence has quickly moved VNI to the forefront of the nutritional science field. As we mentioned, for a variety of reasons, most supplements don't perform up to expectations because they can't deliver their ingredients to your cells. They just don't get in. Some companies have moved to a technology called liposomes to protect nutrients and improve their absorption levels. Liposomes are made up of water and fat-loving molecules called phospholipids, which mimic the membrane structure of the body's cells. While this is a welcome improvement, the truth is that liposomes still have big limitations in what they can carry, are generally unstable, they fall apart, and are unable to cover a full spectrum of nutrient needs. VNI's Prodosome Technology has taken huge strides with this concept and moved it to an entirely new level. What are protosomes? While traditional liposomes involve a limited number of nutrients, VNI's protosomes are singularly unique molecules comprised of multiple layers of clusters of energetically enhanced and stable liposomes encapsulating a wide range of minerals, nutrients, and plant phytonutrients, now called a protosome.
These clusters of energetically enhanced protosomes are packed within another protosome, and clusters of those protosomes are packed within another protosome, and so on, making numerous sequential, energetically enhanced, nutrient-dense phospholipid layers, all able to hold, transport, and release countless nutrients into the cells simultaneously.
Why is this cutting-edge structure so important? Most products offer only a limited bioavailability over a short time frame. Prodosome's multi-layered structure, on the other hand, provides a stable, rapid, and prolonged release of various nutrients simultaneously over several hours, feeding the body cells throughout the day for optimal nutrition. And you can have the ultimate trust in the Prodosome technology, as it has been the subject of numerous clinical studies. These peer-reviewed trials, which have been published by recognized international journals, such as the Journal of the American College of Nutrition and the Journal of Functional Foods in Health and Disease, are high standards for nutrition research, especially for finished products.
Prodosomes offer what no other product can even come close to achieving: synchronized absorption 100% of the time, and it's completely validated by science.
The Prodosome technology is so amazing that V&I uses it in every one of its world-class products. Prodovite, a patent-pending multi-nutritional supplement that published research shows rapidly and effectively delivers all its active ingredients into your blood for the greatest benefits. Our patented brain reward optimizes brain function for stress relief, elevated mood, and mental sharpness. N-Sorb. This proprietary exclusive formula utilizes Prodosome absorption to rapidly deliver enzymes into the blood that boost and strengthen metabolism, digestion, immune competence, and blood health. Thion Extra stimulates your body's super powerful antioxidants for ultimate protection from toxins and free radicals that attack our cells every day. As you can see, V&I's exclusive and proprietary science sets us clearly apart, proven by an impressive body of clinical results and demonstrated every day by thousands of people just like you. So what are you waiting for? Try V&I's products today and enjoy that new level of health and wellness you've been searching for.